back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. As you can see, we are not filming in the normal location, and that is because we are actually in my dining room because I received another order from Grove, yes, because I love Grove Collaborative and I think I am addicted. It's crazy. It's crazy. So we have this box, but then we have this huge other box. So I just figured it would be so much easier to do the unboxing here because most of the products are going to end up in my kitchen anyway. So I am so happy to share this with you guys. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And don't forget, I do have the 9 West purse giveaway going on, so make sure you enter that. The link will be below. And I will make sure to link down below a link that will get you to Grove Collaborative and get you a free 5-piece gift with your first order. You guys, it is so amazing. I literally am addicted. This is like my 3rd order, and there's actually something from this order that still has not come. But when I tell you guys what I paid, it's probably gonna blow your mind. All of this stuff was like 30 bucks. And that's not, and that is including the item that is not even here, which is a 16-roll pack of toilet paper. So I'm going to show you guys everything else, and yeah, let's get started. So we'll do the little box first, and okay, trying to figure out the best way to open this here. Alright, they do always package everything so well. Yeah, it would have been impossible to do this video in my normal filming area because I'm telling you guys, looks like there's this 2 products in this box. Yeah. Okay. So there's 2 products in this box. Let's just throw this back in here and get out of the way. So, there. That is now out of the way. Alright, so the 2 items that came in that bag, or box, I keep saying bag. I got the 7th generation dishwasher detergent packs. It's a 45 pack right here. Love these. And then, like, the very first Grove Collaborative order I did, one of the free items I received was a glass spray bottle with, sorry, my clock is gonna chime, with a silicone sleeve on the bottom. Well, this I ordered, the lighting's off in here. This is their all-purpose cleaner concentrate. So you take, there's 2 of them in here. And you basically just take one, squirt it all into the glass spray bottle, and then fill the rest with water, and you've got cleaner because this is so concentrated. So I wanted to give those a try, and it's 2 of them, so that's 2 full bottles of cleaning supplies, or cleaning stuff. And now for the big box. Oh, y'all, it's heavy. All right. It's so weird to be doing the video in here. Okay. Here we go. Big old thank you. See, there is absolutely no way this would have been able to be done in, oh my goodness, all this paper we're just gonna put over here, out of the way. Okay, paper out of the way. All right, so let's see. Oh wait, just kidding. Just kidding, y'all. Okay. This is the 6 jumbo rolls of the Ultra Absorbent, their new seedling paper towels. So yay for paper towels. I know, I've told you guys in so many videos, yes, I am that weird person that gets very excited over cleaning products. But especially with Grove, because I'm telling you guys, it is amazing. These products I have eyed so many times in like Target or Walmart, but I've just never actually bought them, and I've continued to buy like, you know, different Clorox cleaners that may or may not have bleach, Lysol all-purpose cleaners, different things. But I'm telling you right now that these products are so much better. They're natural, and through Grove, it's ridiculously cheap. So, the next item is the 16 rolls of toilet paper. It was in here. So, there's that. And it's the same as far as the new Seedling by Grove. So, this, and again, I love that they tape everything so it doesn't leak. This I have actually unboxed in one of the Grove videos before, but you guys, I'm telling you, this stuff is so amazing. It's the Method Wood Floor Cleaner. You just squirt and mop. This stuff is so awesome. I actually last night cleaned, because we have hardwood floors all throughout the house, and what I did was I had a little mop, and it's because I have the Shark Steam Mop, but I really prefer just using like I think it's O-Cedar or Libman or something, but it's got the washable microfiber cloth, and you can fill the thing, with cleaner or just water, and I just filled it with water and, would squirt a little bit here, spray it, and spray the water, and then go, and y'all, my floors look amazing. And it smells good. It's almond scented, and it just, it's great. So, next, we have in Honeycrisp Apple, which I did another Grove unboxing where I got the Honeycrisp Apple from Method, their all-purpose cleaner. It smells amazing. My husband even was like, that smells so good. I'm like, I know. This is in the Honeycrisp Apple scent as well. It is dish soap, but it's like a pump. I love it. So there is that. When I signed up, I got like a Mrs. Meyer's set, and I love those products. But I really, really like the Method products too. Like I have the toilet bowl cleaner, and then I have the spray bathroom cleaner that are both antibacterial. And I honestly, because they were spearmint scented, was not sure if I would love them, because I'm not really a spearmint. I prefer peppermint over any type of mint. But it smells amazing. Like, it's just wonderful. This is citron scented, so just citrus. But this is the Method antibacterial. It's just the all-purpose cleaner. So, because you can never have too much cleaner, especially when you have a husband and an 8-year-old son. Just saying. And then I got the Method, I got the Sweetwater scent, just sounded nice, of hand soap. So, you can never have too much of that, especially this time of year. Flu season. This came, and I am so excited for this. This is the Grove Collaborative dish brush. And the head is replaceable, so you can order replacement heads. But, I mean, it's like a good, sturdy dish brush. I love this. And now we have, I had bought some of the little mini concentrates to try. Just wanted to try something different because we normally use the Tide Pods or like the Gain Flings. But it's the Method Concentrated Laundry Detergent. And I got 2 or 3 of the bottles. And I want to say it's like orange mango or something. I honestly don't even remember, but it smells good. But I got the big bottle. And this is 66 loads. So yeah, it's concentrated. This is the Fresh Air scent. Let me actually see. Oh, that smells so good. It's just fresh and clean. Oh, I love that. But yeah, 66 loads. So there's that. And then the final item in this massive box is some more of the Method dryer sheets. I did get the orange mango or whatever it is that to match the laundry detergent that I had, the little 10 load concentrates. But since I was going with Fresh Air, obviously in a big bottle, I wanted to give these a try. This is the Beach Sage scent. Y'all. This smells so good. This honestly almost smells very lightly of a like Amazing Man's cologne, but not overpowered. God, it smells good. Like I want to go do laundry just to use this. So all of that was like $30. It's crazy. I'm telling you guys, you need to go check out Grove. Like I said, I will put a link down below. If you use the link, it will get you the 5 free products. So definitely try it out. I mean, like I said, not only are the products absolutely amazing, they're natural. You don't have to worry about, you know, if, say I'm in here cleaning, spraying off the counter and Christopher walks by, I don't have to worry if he gets sprayed a little bit with his cleaner because it's all natural. Now, I don't plan on spraying my child, you know, with some cleaner, but I'm just saying, it's crazy. You guys, I'm telling you. If you can't tell, like I said, I love to clean. So having cleaning products that are natural and do so much better than the other stuff with the harsh chemicals is, you know, that's just a bonus. So I know I'm rambling. I know I'm hyper. Like I said, I'm super excited. I'm almost getting more excited about these Grove orders that I do than my beauty box subscriptions. So that should say something. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, I will put the link for Grove down below and it will get you 5 free products with your first order. And that's pretty much it, y'all. I hope you have a fabulous day. And like I said, I will be wearing my little witch hat all the way through Halloween. So you will see it a few times in a couple videos. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.